I want to start with something else. I am here only to do things for the team and for the players. You don't need to congratulate me. You have to thanks for the players, for the team, because they are the one who work and fight in the field. I am behind them and I try to do small things in order that the players will be much better. And every time all the positive things should go to the players because they are the real fighter and the real players for the team. Me, I am on the side together with the president, with the people who work, and there are many people who are working every day for Esperance and nobody speak about them. It's very nice when you win. In the same time, when you lose, it's not so nice because you're gonna be angry and you come here and you shout to the coach. But I am happy about what I find here and all the congratulations for my team.
نجاوب بطريقه مغايره. اليوم كان ما تشكرنيش انا، انما الشكر يمشي للملاعبيه، هما المحاربين، هما المقاتلين، هما في الميدان قاعدين يعملوا في كل شيء. انا كان نعمل في حاجه راهي نجي من الخلف، حاجات بسيطه برشا. انا والاداره وعديد الاشخاص اللي هما كما نقولوا وراء الستار قاعدين يخدموا، ما همش قاعدين يبانوا. مع الاسف في الخساره تجيو انتم هنا وتبداو تعيطوا وتسالوا في المدرب، ونكون انا هنا باش نتقبل ردود الافعال هذيا. لكن بطبيعه الحال سعيد بالاشياء اللي لقيتها وسعيد بالتفاعلات اللي تصير في كل مره.